Okay, y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing some DIY Halloween decorations, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the first one. So right here I have 4 pillowcases from Dollar Tree, white, black, and another white and black, because I have 4 pillows on my couch, and this is what the pillows look like before I make pillowcases. And then I bought these little foam shaped spiders from Dollar Tree, and some foam little ghost things to put on the pillowcases, as well as some glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree as well. That's all the materials for my first DIY. Oh, and hot glue and maybe something else, because I'm just going with the flow. But this is the materials so far. So let's go ahead and get started. Gold glitter strips down the middle of the spatters. So this is the finished look for my pillowcases. These are the white ones. Little spiders with glitter on it. And this is the black one. I ripped a hole in it. Don't worry about that. And I drew on my own faces, because I didn't want them to be like plain white. I thought that would look ugly. But yeah, that is the finished DIY for these pillowcases, and everything was from the Dollar Tree. Pillowcases, the ghost, the ribbon, and I mean everybody has a black marker, so that's all you need for this DIY. Okay, so for the next DIY, you're gonna need this vase. This is from Dollar Tree as well, and a black permanent marker. Doesn't really matter what kind of marker. And we're gonna draw a spider web onto this vase, and then I'm gonna use my hot glue gun to go over top of it. It was I outlined the vase with a black marker, and then I went over it with the hot glue. I did a full web, and I did a half a web on this side, and then I did the same on this one. Next, I'm going to spray paint them both black, and then add on some fake spiders that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and that'll be it. My last DIY, I'm going to use these little skull heads. And I'm going to make candle, what's the word? Candle holders. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take the top off. Take the skull off of these things. And I don't need this. I thought I would. I think I'm gonna glue this onto the bottom and the top. Spray painter. Oh, there we are.